Put tea bags around the house and watch what happens. If you're a tea drinker, you probably throw several of these away every single day. You brew your favorite cup, enjoy that first warm sip, and then toss the used bag into the trash without a second thought. But you won't believe the power hiding in those tea bags. Before you throw away another one, you have to see this. I'm about to go over a bunch of amazing uses for something you thought was, well, garbage. Stick around because you're going to want to try every single one of these. Natural barrier against pests. Let's start with a problem that makes most of us shudder: unwanted guests. I'm talking about mice and spiders. Before you grab those harsh chemical sprays, you might want to check your kitchen pantry first. Many people have found success with peppermint tea bags. The goal here is to make your home a place these critters want to avoid. Mice, in particular, have an incredible sense of smell. The strong aroma of peppermint is overwhelming for them. It irritates their noses and messes with their ability to get around, creating an invisible barrier they don't want to cross. Simply put your tea bags in corners near potential entry points like cracks or gaps around pipes, and in cupboards where you've seen activity. The same idea applies to spiders. You can place used peppermint tea bags along windowsills and in doorways where they often build webs. Replace often to keep the peppermint smell strong. The ultimate household deodorizer. All right, on to those stubborn household odors. The trick to fighting them might be the tannins in tea leaves, which are naturally absorbent and can help neutralize the molecules that cause bad odors, leaving things smelling much fresher. Try placing a few used, dried tea bags on a shelf in your fridge. They take up almost no room, and you can just tuck them in a corner. Stronger teas like black or green tea work really well for this. And before you put in a new liner in your trash can, drop 1 or 2 dry, used tea bags at the bottom. They'll help absorb odors from the get-go. This trick is a lifesaver for smelly shoes too. Just pop 1 dry, used tea bag in each shoe overnight. By morning, the tea bag will have soaked up the moisture and the smell. You can even deodorize carpets by tearing open a few dry, used tea bags and sprinkling the leaves over the fabric. Let them sit for about 20 to 30 minutes to absorb any musty smells, and then just vacuum them up. Your secret weapon for a sparkling home. Now that your house smells great, let's get to cleaning. Those same tannins that fight odors are also great for cutting through grime. First up, let's tackle a dreaded kitchen chore: greasy pots and pans. Instead of scrubbing for ages, fill the pan with hot water and drop in a used tea bag. Let it soak overnight. The tea will help break down the grease and loosen stuck-on food, making it much easier to clean the next day. This next one might surprise you. You can use tea to clean windows and mirrors. Really. Brew some weak tea with a couple of used bags and let it cool completely. Pour it into a spray bottle and use it like you would any other window cleaner. The weak acid in the tea helps cut through dirt and fingerprints for a streak-free shine. Just spray it on and wipe it off with a clean, dry cloth. You can use the same solution for your wood furniture and floors as a gentle polish. Lightly dampen a soft cloth with the tea and wipe down your wood surfaces. Unexpected beauty and wellness uses. Moving on from cleaning your home to your face, yes, tea bags have a place in beauty and self-care. But there's one important thing to keep in mind. Before you try any of these tips, know that some studies have found pesticide residues in many non-organic tea brands. If you plan on putting tea bags on your skin, especially around your eyes, it's best to use a high-quality, organic brand to be safe. With that said, one of the most classic uses for tea bags is for puffy eyes. You can make a cold compress by soaking 2 tea bags, squeezing out the extra liquid, and chilling them in the fridge. Placing the cooled bags over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes is a popular home remedy. The caffeine, especially in black and green tea, is thought to help constrict blood vessels, thereby temporarily reducing puffiness. The anti-inflammatory properties of tea can also help with other skin irritations. For things like itchy bug bites, pressing a cool, wet tea bag on the area can provide relief. You can do the same to soothe razor burn. The tannins can help reduce redness and calm the skin. And for a full-body treat, try a tea bath. Toss a few herbal tea bags, such as chamomile or rose, into a warm bath to create a fragrant, soothing soak. Organic Garden Boost. All right, let's take our used tea bags outside to the garden. It turns out they can be just as good for your plants as they are for your house. Tea leaves are full of organic matter that can enrich your soil and help your garden thrive. One of the easiest things to do is just bury them. When you're potting a new plant, bury a used tea bag near the roots. As the bag and leaves break down, they improve the soil and help it hold water. This is also a great way to give your compost pile a little boost. Most tea bags are made of compostable paper, but be sure to check for and remove any metal staples first. I'm not done yet. Tea can also help protect your plants. Many gardeners brew weak tea from used bags, let it cool, and use it to water their plants and pour it over leaves. The natural scent is thought to be a mild deterrent for some garden pests and even neighborhood cats. While the science on this isn't solid, it's a simple, chemical-free way to get a little extra protection. It's truly incredible how many uses are packed into one tiny bag. From keeping pests away and making your home smell fresh, to cleaning surfaces and boosting your garden. That little tea bag is way more useful than you thought. Am I right? The next time you finish your cup, remember all the potential that's left inside that bag. Don't just throw it away. Put it to work. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. Also, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.